everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. What's up, Marcel?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, so this morning we are heading into the parish of Clarendon to a place called Baillieston. Right, when we get there I can tell you the specific location where we are, but we're heading to see a gentleman by the name of Cecil Tingdale. He would have reached out to us, and so we're heading to him to hear what he has to say and just to update us on what is going on. All right, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, so just enjoy the journey with us. Alright everyone, so as most persons know, we are from the Trelawney area, so we had to come into Cristiano and then drive into Spaldings and then turn left at the stoplight in Spaldings and come down coming into Baillieston. Alright.
Is that same road to Brownstone?
Yes, I believe we can, yes. Yes. Yeah, so we can also drive on this road and go right back to Brownstone, as Marcel just said. Does look bleaky. We're hoping to get there before it starts to rain. It was raining earlier and it stopped, so hopefully we can accomplish this task before it starts to rain. Oh, that horse. So a sign that says welcome to Baillieston. Okay. And so we are going to have to kind of feel it out to find this gentleman, because when we did speak he said that right, we'll continue, right, he said that he does not own a phone, and so he borrowed someone's phone to call us. So we just got general information, so it's pretty much so I think you're gonna turn on this road, Marcel. So we're just going to have to ask around to find him. Right, Marcel?
Yeah.
Marcel?
So Baillieston with it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Until we see another sign that says something else.
So we're gonna have to look for another sign at Baillieston. We'll look fine now with there. Not true?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm familiar with this area. I just do not know where the gentleman lives. So that we will have to find out.
So I saying there? Slow school zone.
No, that is
So welcome to Brown Street.
I said just the first school, so the thing
As you
is,
said before the school?
yeah, but there's another school on this road. There's a high school. So I don't think it's this school he was talking. I think he was talking about the other school, which is further down.
Yeah, they get direction.
In a sense, like I say. So he's close to the high school. He lives on this road. Okay. So I wonder what's there. So people in the road. Oh, like they're working on the road.
My house, the man,
I see a lady here, you know. Let's ask her. Alright, Marcel, are you 10 now?
Good morning. How you doing? You're not ready lunch yet?
No, I'm already.
Morning.
You look for my Cecil? Your wife's sick.
Cecil Tingdale. Right here? Oh, this blue house? Oh, so you know if he's there? Alright.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I got put you right there, so you know. I got put you there so we see you.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess we just... We're going to turn? We're going to turn. Turn first. Alright guys, so we see the house, but we're going to turn and come back. Hi Marcy, so how you doing?
Well, I'm giving God thanks and praise, you know.
Okay, wonderful.
I'm not no way worse than how I used to stay, but
Okay.
you know. I mean, kind of sick one time and I have prostate cancer.
Oh yeah?
Yes, and I go away and go in the Cayman Island. For what reason, I don't know. But I not go there. And when I go there, I go to the clinic over there and end up into the hospital to do a surgery. And when time I go to do the surgery, the morning when the doctor take me to go do the surgery, him said to me, say, Mr. Tingdale, you know you're going home today. I said, then doc, you send me home today, I know. Because I feel if I get no cut or anything, you know. And I say, you said me home, I no get no medication or something for the prostate cancer and the stone in my kidney. He said to me, say, Mr. Tingdale. I said, sir. He said, what if I tell you that they are gone? I said, gone? I said, how? He said, them disappear, so you don't have to worry nothing about them.
Yeah, you never had to do any surgery again?
No.
Oh.
Just like that. Anyway, I leave my daughter here. And when I come back, that's still they do the place.
Explain to us what happened.
And then she takes sick and me have to come.
Your wife. That's
Come back
nice.
home, couldn't work, nothing at all. Me have to come back home.
Also, she got sick and so you had to return to
Yes,
take care of her.
After me find out say me get better and so. Well, since me come here 4 years now, there's no more pain, no more, nothing at all. When me used to urine, it burn like pepper. And you know how long it take me? Yeah. Me not say them something there, them sign.
So you're okay, you're not,
Yes,
you don't have
yeah.
no symptom of anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
So what?
From that day until now, me give God thanks and praise for that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. So, go ahead.
Me went to several places. Go look at job. They say me too well. Cause me age about me.
Oh.
So me just just give up and say anyway me promise that me go and call somebody in England and see if me can get them to help me to get a truck, even if them go and keep the document until me pay them back for it, cause me know me get work for it. Yeah. And pay them back, me can collect my document. So me no know. Me trust in a God and me believe say things will work out for me.
Okay. So what type of work? You say you were looking work when you came back. What type of work?
Driver.
Oh, driving work. That is what you used to do?
Yes, me have a open PPV license.
Okay. So when you went to Cayman, that's what you were doing? You were driving?
One work me get up there to drive one bus. For carry some people at night. Go to a restaurant to clean up janitorial or something. Yeah. But the reason being the man no love to pay money. So him couldn't take tea with me none at all because I tell him, say, look, Jane, come on. You have to pay me because me come here to work. And if me work and you don't want to pay me, what you expect, say, me go and send back home for my family. And him did it, talk, and I said, look man, there's one alternative me have. When I read my Bible and pray to my God, you have to pay me. So one day he called me up in our meeting. But it's like, I feel, I submise it. So I said, God, you know what I want you to do for me? You see the 4 corner building in your office there? Curfew with the angel. So that when we reach there, them can't overcome me. And believe you me, I go in there when I go in there. The man turn up and lean up on the wall and him now say nothing. And I said to him, say, big man, me no know you know, but me come here and you know the legacy when me I set back for my people and my pick me and my pick them. Me no know where I set for your own. Because look for me man, me natural. You don't see no gathering on my finger. And he look for me from my head to my foot. And him say, alright Mr. Tingdale, I will pay you. And he pay me the first payment. And when he pay me, he go back again and he call another meeting and he say, Mr. Tingdale, you know say me can't keep you. When me I go down the road, me your advice said to me say, you know say then did I say you know easy somebody. Yeah. Anyway, I go down the road, he call me and he say, I can't keep you, you know. He said, I can't get over you, Mr. Tingdale. So, I have to get rid of you. I said, I don't have a problem with that, sir. He said, I'm going to pay you everything, Mr. Tingdale. I said, I don't have a problem with that, sir. He said, now where you sent me. I said, I don't have a problem with that, sir. And he pay me. Go down my bank, go draw the money and he pay me. And when he pay me, I said, you know, so I'm going to church, sir. He said, no problem, man, me job at church. And the man came right now the church door, he go put me down. And when I go in there, you know, the people say, a confirmation. He couldn't keep it. He must go there.
Okay.
Yeah. So, when I believe in God, God will work things out for you.
Yeah.
So as I say, I put it to them in England and see what can be done.
All right, so let's get back to because when you called, You see, when you called and we spoke, you were asking, you said you needed help with windows and you needed help with a washing machine.
As you look on them around there, so you can see them out there in Ratnode.
In Ratnode?
Yeah.
All right, so you said that you needed the washing machine because your wife is sick.
Yeah. And I may have to do it.
Yeah, you have to do the washing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I have a daughter, but in a business with the mother.
How many children? How many children you have to
She? Two me have with she.
Oh, okay, okay.
And one of them, I don't know which part of the world she did. Never come back and look for it. No.
How long has it been since you've seen her?
From about in 4 years ago in Goa. And never returned.
Oh no.
But me no, people see me now. People see him. But me say to people say, when I see him, one day, me go leave his thing come right back kneel on my mother foot.
Okay.
Me believe in God, you know. One day me go leave his thing come and kneel on my mother foot and cry to his mother. Yes.
Okay. So what is the situation as it is? So you struggle with the washing because it's you alone.
Yeah. And then sometimes.
You want to say something?
Oh, I think it's my name in the car.
No, I was just making reference to you. Okay. You want to say something though? Oh yeah. Okay. 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 All right. So what are the other struggles that you face on a daily basis? So listening to you, currently you don't have a job. You don't have a source of income.
No.
Okay. So you don't do any farming or anything like that. Driving is what you used to do.
I have nowhere around the stuff to do.
Oh, the land.
I just want to juke up piece of place as well.
Yeah.
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 And me did rent the so. A sheep plant and them banana there where you see.
Oh, okay.
And the people them take it back.
Oh, okay.
And me no bother fussy about it. A man give me a piece of place down so say me can plant something. Me go there go plant up there and so weed out the thing and thing. The banana the man so where did it? He said man go there go cut it. The aki with the pan the tree said man go pick him up. So me just no bother with it no more. Me just love it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes.
How long has it been since you've been together? You've been married?
Me no remember.
You don't remember?
I don't remember. Me never keep it on record.
About 10 years? 20 years? 30 years?
But 30, about 35, 40 years.
Oh, long time.
Together, yes.
Yeah.
Long. We've been together about 10 years before we married.
Oh, okay. So Miss Nancy, what you used to do for a living?
She used to work with one company at Kingston.
Oh, okay. She's unable to speak?
Sometimes we talk and the next time we will not talk.
Oh, okay, because of the illness that she had?
Welcome.
Oh, I see. So when you came back from Cayman, that's how she was?
Yes, and in worse than this.
What was it? Talk to us about that. Explain to us what you mean.
Brain problem you have. And I take her to the doctor in Mandeville. When I'm going to Spalding, I find out I don't get no result of anything, and the medication. So I take her to Mandeville. And this first day I take her to Mandeville, then booked a book and run some tests on her. And tell me, say, you know, we have to admit her. And I say, why? Because knowing that she not stay nowhere by herself. Anyway, I left her there and she did I run out of the hospital. And then tie her down in there. Restrain her, them say.
Yeah.
Anyway, we go do the brain scan or something and come back and get some medication. But then kind of little change over, you know. But this one with me, I go do now. This blood test with me, I go do for about next week. This blood test with me, I go do for next week is that they want to know what kind of tablet and can get her to work with the brain. So I go try my best to do that for her. Sometimes I love to see her come back around in.
Yeah. So currently she's unable to do anything. Like she's not active in that way, and that is why you are the one who wash.
One thing with the man, him fold up the clothes, them mix up all the dirty clothes with the clean clothes.
Oh.
Yes. So
Yeah, so you cook as well,
Yes.
and you clean.
yes.
Okay, so how you manage on a day-to-day basis? How you manage with food? Where you?
Well, you see where me I come from down the road?
Yes.
That's only like friends down there. Them always do things so me I help me out, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. You see the man who go down with the truck there? He's a man who have something on his truck for do and he call me and I go down there and help him.
Okay.
And he pay me a money and so on. And I
Okay.
put it together.
Like mechanical work, I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. And sometime when grand picnic them we come on weekend. We left them and go up on a Saturday go do any little thing for make a money.
Okay, so them stay with her until they come back.
Yeah. So
And so you don't have any other help?
no, nobody around me no more dancer.
Okay.
So help me with nothing.
So are there any time that you find that you don't have any food or anything like that?
No.
You always manage to find something?
Yes, can find something because you my sister want to shop up the road there. I'm gonna go up there and we give me something for her and meat kind and then something. So
Yeah.
believe me, I make food kind, but believe me,
Yeah.
that I know me worry.
Okay. So where is the need greatest now? What is the greatest need you have now?
And the window them and the machine. The machine are the most essential one because
Okay.
and him can't manage.
Okay, so it's the washing machine that you would want to help you with the washing.
Yes.
And the windows they say are broken out.
Yeah.
You said rotten,
Rotten,
right?
rotten out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me not go tell you no say me dey want do or nothing. Me will fuck me way out. Can't hang up currently till when me can manage that party.
Okay.
Yes, but just the machine and the door
Okay.
and the windows.
And the window.
Yeah.
The man showing
because
us what
you know, when the storm come, the water come in. So that me afraid of.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you managed the other day when we had the heavy rains and so on and the storm.
Me nail up some zinc there.
Oh, so it's zinc you have there right now?
No, me take them down man.
Okay.
Because in the house so dark. Yeah. And me have to burn light right through the day. And can't afford that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did a little thing there, you know. And I don't know, somebody did say they will give me some paint for paint.
Okay.
Make it look good. I learned something do more about, you know, man.
Yes.
You don't worry about this. Because earthly material, one day, it will look good.
Yeah.
Believe me. And if you have a belief in a God, all things will work out for you.
Yes, so true.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So, I believe in that. But that are the two main essential something I talk about.
Yeah.
The washing machine and the windows.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Please, I'm asking you if you can assist me with a washing machine and some windows for my house. I would be grateful, and I will give thanks to you all who donate, and thank God for you people. And may God bless and keep you for the rest of your lifetime. And may He cover you, carry you through, and carry you all along on your long life journey. God bless you.
Okay.
And thanks.
Okay. All right. So I meant to ask, what happened to your eye?
No, one time I did fall down, you know. You see right here? And after I did fall down, I lose the muscle.
Oh. So you are able to see out of it?
Yes.
But it's just that you're not able to keep it open.
Yes.
Okay.
And at times, if I squeeze right here, so I feel like something stick me.
Oh, okay.
So me go to UC was to do it. Look after it. Then I remember one lady did go up there for scrape cataract. Half her eye, and then take off her head crown, and she dead.
Oh,
and
no.
me just looking at it and saying, no sir, better I stay same way.
Yeah, so you're not better do it.
No.
Okay.
And from me get license not drive. Me drive same way and me never meet an accident.
Yeah. Okay.
Never.
Okay. So when you used to drive, what you used to, is it like you used to do delivery or so?
No, me used to drive one truck for one company in Kingston, and them used to do welding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so me draw some iron.
Material.
Yeah. But the man dead. Dead and gone with 19 years of service, me, you know.
Oh no.
And when the day when the man get the money and tell me, say, you know, get here, see him 19 dead. And I say, God, you see it? Me just look past and say, it's a loss, but
yeah,
me still here. And to the day, as a rich man, and where is he?
Yeah.
He's not here anymore. I'm still there. I live. And God, I go make me live to see many, many more years to come.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Because you know when you live and you're honest and you do because I whole part time me do things see him and him look at me and say then how every time you see you go up and I need that truck I never see you come out and put church on and say this for that and that for that. I say no, I can't do it. Me I drive the truck. Whatever me need for the truck I ask you for it. I may drive it, so if I fix the truck, me not supposed to come and collect from you for it. No, because I'm me a drive it, me a keep it. All the way from Kingston, I'm a drive it, come and park it right here, you know?
Yeah.
Yes. So why should I collect from him? Me have to use my conscience.
Yeah.
Yes. And me can't live to push you down, to build me up. No. We have to fight together. To come together.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay, all right, everyone. You would have heard Mr. Tingdale's story, and he is asking for your help to purchase a washing machine, or if it's a used one, would you accept it as well?
Of course I would.
All right. So whichever it is, and you can reach out to us. Please do so. You can reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, any help we get will be greatly appreciated. All right, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. All right, so Mr. Tingdale, I know you say you don't have a great need for food, I don't know, but we have some groceries and we'll hand it over to you. All right, we brought it for you.
Okay, God bless you and thanks.
All right, you're more than welcome. We get it for you. Oh, Mr. Tingdale, here you go.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. All right.